I'm going to take this seat out because when I was putting the larger of the two rear seats back in, having taken it out, I forgot to fish up the third receiver, seatbelt receiver, so now it's underneath this seat. I'd already taken that one out, cleaned it all up, and this will be an easier removal anyway, so I'm just gonna do that. This pops up, little Velcro. You got your underneath here, you've got those clips. There's a couple of them. You just pull those up. I was gonna peel this up and try and pull them out with this tool, but that didn't seem to really be needed to get done. And then you've got this these clips here. Crying out loud! These clips here that just pop up and out. These are gonna need to be probably replaced because this is the second or third time I've taken these things out. What the frig? Stupid thing. It's wrecked. Thing is wrecked. See that? Okay, so anyway, I've got some of those that I can replace it with. And then you got to get in here, down there. You see it? That bolt, 14 millimeter. There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this little clip right here has got to come out. These little, they're bolt covers. And that little tab right there, you see that? Let's see. Right there. It's a little tab. You put a screwdriver under there, and that'll pop that out. Oh, and part of the problem was there are locating pins on the front of these. At least there wasn't on that side. And I didn't have those in, and I was wrestling with it, and that's why I got distracted. But anyway, you want to put the front of the seat in first, and that'll locate everything and make it easier to put all 4 bolts in.